Brothers. Assalamu alaikum, bache. How are you? We may have our differences of views on certain issues, but at the end of the day, Pakistan and Afghanistan are the closest neighbors. Pakistan and Afghanistan have a very, very long border, and Pakistan wishes nothing but the best for Afghanistan. We wish peace and stability in Afghanistan, and we are ready to work with Afghanistan, the Afghan government, and the people of Afghanistan to achieve this common objective of peace and stability in Afghanistan. For us, we want Abdullah to return to an Afghanistan which is peaceful, where he can live happily with his family, and where he can continue his education.
And let me also thank the Pakistani Embassy in Kabul for their efforts and support that was extended in recovering Abdullah. Abdullah will, inshallah, depart for Kabul and will reunite with his family